In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Firefox. First, let's begin by opening Firefox on your computer. You should see the familiar Firefox icon on your desktop or in your Applications menu. Double-click that icon to launch the browser. As it opens, you may notice the vibrant orange fox logo, which signifies that you are accessing one of the most popular web browsers available. This step is essential because you cannot perform any updates unless the browser is running. So, ensure that Firefox is fully loaded and ready for the next steps. Next, click the menu button located in the upper right corner of the Firefox window. This button is represented by three horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger menu. When you click this icon, a drop-down menu will appear showing various options. It's crucial to locate the correct menu since this is where you'll find the settings needed for the update process. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This makes it easier to navigate and will save you time in the long run. From the drop-down menu, select Help and then click on About Firefox. Once you select About Firefox, a new window will pop up. This window is particularly important because it not only provides information about your current version of Firefox but also initiates the update process. The About Firefox window will display your version number prominently, allowing you to see if you are running the latest version or if an update is necessary. Now, Firefox will automatically check for updates and download any available updates. You will see a progress indicator as it works, which might take just a few moments. This step is vital because keeping your browser updated ensures that you have the latest security patches and features. It's reassuring to know that Firefox takes care of this process for you, but you can always initiate it manually if needed. When the download is complete, click Restart to update Firefox. This button will appear in the same About Firefox window. By clicking it, Firefox will close and restart, applying all the updates you've just downloaded. It's a straightforward process that ensures your browser is up to date. You can feel confident that you're about to enjoy all the newest enhancements that come with the update. After Firefox restarts, the latest version will be installed. You should see a confirmation message indicating that you are now using the most recent version of Firefox. This is a significant moment in the update process because it confirms that you have successfully installed the latest features, security fixes, and improvements. Keeping your browser current is essential for a smooth browsing experience. Firefox normally updates automatically in the background. However, you can manage your update settings by going to the menu, then Settings, followed by General, and finally Firefox Updates. This section allows you to customize how Firefox handles updates, giving you control over whether updates are installed automatically or if you prefer to be notified first. This little step can save you from potential issues in the future and helps tailor your browsing experience to your preferences. With these steps, you are now equipped to ensure that your Firefox browser remains up to date. Regularly checking for updates not only enhances your browsing experience but also keeps your online activities secure. Remember, a few simple clicks can make a significant difference in your internet safety and efficiency. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing!